Good morning. Yesterday I was traveling from Skardu to Islamabad, but the way was closed due to heavy raining. So we had to stop here near Dasu on police station with these guys. Stayed here for one night, and today we hopefully will continue. Yeah, it was nice here. You have bed here. You can have water, tea, and washroom. Even something to eat when you ask. So no problem at all, and hopefully the road will be open soon and we can continue our journey. There's a lot of police, a lot of kind of police. There is tourist police, there is civil police, road police, traffic police, a lot of police. But they are mostly very, very good guys. They will help you when you need, and they will help you even if you don't need.
अच्छी मदद की हमारी पुलिस बहुत अच्छी है जितने में मसले हुए वो हमारे लिए बहुत मददगार इन्होंने हमारी हेल्प की हमारा रात का जो काम था वो बहुत सर्दी वगैरह थी वे उसमें हमें इन्होंने बहुत हेल्प की इन सब भाइयों ने हमें मिलकर फैसिलिटी दी यानी कि रहने के लिए स्लीपिंग के लिए खाने के लिए बहुत पावरफुल यानी कि हेल्प हमारी की शुक्रिया।
First of all, I am Jesse from Sri Lanka. I traveled to Gilgit to Islamabad yesterday night landslideing because stop here. A lot of help, police and give me the rooms and foods and safety wise. Also, this police and Pakistan police, I love it. Thank you so much. Your accommodation.